Hello class, let's take a look at week 6 or CIT 15, Computer Information Systems. So we are going to go into, for week 6, we're going to go into chapter 4. So let's go ahead and click on the link to your ebook. It may ask you to log in if you're not logged in. Same login for my T-Lab is Pearson Plus. And I'm going to make sure I'm in chapter 4. I am. We'll just collapse the menu and then open it up again. And I'm going to jump down here for software basics. Go all the way through it. So this is one of the first of 2 chapters that talks about software. And this is application software. So that is software that helps you be productive, like word processing software, spreadsheets, and so forth. Here's a link just to kind of give a little more information, a set of programs on a computer that helps the user carry out tasks. That's key there, like word processing, emails, presentations, editing photos, those kind of things. Any software that helps you carry out a task, application software. The other type of software, which you'll learn in the next chapter, is called system software. And those are the programs that help your computer hardware function and provide an interface for you to interact with the programs. That's system software like Windows 10 and Windows 11 and Mac OS. But we're going to focus on application software. So that's what chapter 4 is all about. In fact, I have a little index here of objectives. So you'll compare and contrast the 2 different types of categories of software, application and system software, and the different options for purchasing. Usually it's you pay a monthly fee nowadays. You can still own Office. You can buy it outright. Or you can pay to use it for a year at a time or a month at a time, those kind of things. You'll learn about the license agreement, different categories of types of different software, multimedia, audio editing, content creation, and it runs the gamut. So application software, things that helps you be productive on a computer. That's what it is. So going back to your Canvas site for week 6, again, remember things are due Saturday at 9. You have an audio PowerPoint available to listen to, which is kind of a nice way to get an overview. You have the study guide questions again, which are all the questions I can ask you, but I'm only going to ask you 25 on quiz week. And then you have my T-Lab. So this is now, the other side of the application. You got the content learning about computers and technology, and then you have the application side. So we're going to go into Word. Again, this is the 3rd week of that. Chapter 3. Pearson, are you? Uh-oh, something went wrong with Pearson. Well, let's see if I have it open here. Okay, some link happened, and that does happen. I'm sure they'll fix it soon. So this is week 6, and this is Word Chapter 3 training. So just like in last week for Chapter 2, you have the learning aids you can use, and this is more editing of the document. So let's see if I can launch this to get the title of contents for this week. So you'll create a table, which is very handy in Word. You don't have to do it all in Excel. Create a table, merge and split cells. I do use that quite a bit. I think you'll find it handy. Learn different styles, formulas, and functions you can use for the data that's in the table. Sorting, borders and shading for captions. Table captions are one of the things you do on the hands-on Word test in a bit. And editing source data. So I won't launch it this time. I think you're familiar with the process. So just Word Chapter 3. That's all you got. Going back to Canvas, I think that is it. Yeah. So again, use the tutors if you need them. They're very at the top of the modules area here. Jumping up here on the first section, FCC tutors. I think you'll find that helpful. Use them now before you really need to. Learn the process of where it is on the 2nd floor in the library, or you're doing it virtually with Zoom on your computers. It really is a nice resource for you to have. So Chapter 4, you're learning about software now, and next week we'll learn a little bit more about software, but the system software instead of what we're learning this week, which is application software. So that's it. We'll see you on the net. Now, bye for now.